Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable face beauty mode for a better look on Messenger video calls. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Press on shortcuts and accessibility. Again scroll down. Here you can see face beauty for video call. Press on this. Now if you want to enable face beauty mode for better look on Messenger video calls, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to enable face beauty mode for a better look on Messenger video calls. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.